Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamathamang. Today we're going to talk about a hot and sour soup for recipe. So many people are request to me this hot and sour soup recipe, so I bring for you all. Please do watch video until the end and follow the instruction or ingredients and enjoy with your family, friends or workplace. आज भने मैले हट एन्ड सावर सुपको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु। तपाईहरुले चाहिँ यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर चाहिँ तपाईहरु आफ्नो फ्यामिली फ्रेन्ड्ससँग चाहिँ मजाले इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ र यो एउटा अथेन्टिक पपुलर चाइनिज सुप पनि हो है त। हट एन्ड सावर सुप रेसिपी ingredients base broth 4 cup chicken stock or vegetable stock for vegetarian, 200 gram frame tofu cut into thin strips, 1 cup shiitake mushroom thinly sliced, fresh or rehydrated dried half cup bamboo shoot, julienned 100 gram boneless chicken breast or pork shredded, optional for non-veg version. Seasoning 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons Chinese black vinegar or rice vinegar if unavailable, 1 or 2 teaspoon chili paste or chili oil, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon sugar, optional, balance acidity, half teaspoon white vinegar, give the signature heat, use more if you like it preferably. Thickener 2 tablespoon cornstarch plus 3 tablespoon water, slurry, egg ribbons 1 large egg lightly beaten, aromatics 2 cloves, garlic mince 1 teaspoon, ginger grated 2 tablespoon sesame oil, garnish 2 tablespoon chopped spring onions, fresh cilantro leaves. Instruction: prepare the aromatics. Heat sesame oil in a deep pot over medium heat. Add garlic and ginger, saute for 30 seconds until fragrant. Build the broth, pour in the chicken vegetable stock, add mushroom, bamboo shoot and meat. If using, simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Add tofu and seasoning. Stir in tofu, soy sauce, black vinegar, chili paste, sugar, and white pepper. Taste and adjust the balance of sour, spicy, and salty your liking. Thicken the soup. Slowly stir in the cornstarch slurry. Simmer for another 1-2 minutes until the both lightly thicken. Create egg ribbons. Reduce the heat to low. Gently drizzle in the beaten egg in a thin stream, stirring slowly in a direction to form silky standard. Finely touch. Turn off the heat. Sprinkle with the green onion and cilantro. Serve hot. Ladle into bowls and enjoy with the sight of crispy spring rolls or dumplings. Tips for perfect hot and sour soup. Black vinegar gives an authentic depth if using rice vinegar and a drop of soy sauce for color. White pepper is key for a signature hot flavor. It's different from chili heat. For a spicier kick, add extra chili paste or drizzle chili oil before serving. Balance taste. Before finishing taste, the soup, it's should be tangy first, spicy second, and umami rich overall. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile, have a look, many more recipes are there, and enjoy with your family, friends. See you next in the video. Love you all. Thank you very much. Ciao.